Numbers are made up of negative integers and positive integers. These can be easily represented by a number line. So this number line contains negative integers as well as positive integers. So what is an integer? An integer is a whole number. On the number line, numbers to the right of another number are always larger. For example, 1 is larger than -2. So -1 is smaller than 0. Square numbers come from squaring an integer. For example, 1 squared. This is equals to 1 times 1, which gives you 1. 2 squared is equals to 2 times 2, which gives you 4. 3 squared will give you 3 times 3, which is equals to 9. So these are square numbers. They come from squaring an integer. A symbol is used for squaring numbers. For instance, square root of 1 is equals to 1. Square root of 4 is equals to 2. Square root of 9 is equals to 3. You can still repeat using other square numbers. Cube numbers are a result of cubing numbers or cubing integers. Or we can say they are a result of multiplying a number by itself 3 times. For example, 1 times 1 times 1 is equals to 1 cubed. This will give us 1. If you say 2 times 2 times 2, you get 2 cubed, which will give you 8. 3 times 3 times 3 will give you 3 cubed, which is equivalent to 27. So as you can see, the cube of 1 is 1. The cube of 8 is 2. The cube of 27 is 3. So this goes on again with all cube numbers. You can do the same on 4. 4 times 4 times 4, you get 4 cubed, and then you get the answer 64. Same applies to 5. 5 times 5 times 5, you get 5 cubed, which is equivalent to 125.